Survey review, earn money online fast. I'm going to show you in this survey review why in my opinion it's a complete waste of time. I'm going to give you an inside look today just to see for yourself. I have tested this site myself, so it looks like in other normal survey site. When you first come to survey, you can take surveys and earn rewards, and this will be depending on the country survey is available and also depending on what kind of rewards will. You can see here that's the UK side, it's called Survey, and also you can see if you scroll all the way to the bottom here, Germany, Finland, UK, Norway, France and Italy and Spain. In the local language that's the countries it's available in, but what it offers is basically the same no matter which country you're in. I will just fill out and show you the joining process. And now filled out my details on Survey and choose personal details, easy and simple, and then start learning. You can see here the first thing you get to is an offer for other services. 3 offers. What kind of offers? It depends on the country you live in, but let's say I choose here one of them. Apparently you have to choose survey sites that you are interested in, and then I go to the last step. You have filled out your personal details. It says in here have to fill out the personal details. This is what you get, and then you need to do is check the emails. That's what you get. You will receive emails with that service of you are selected. You will get both emails from the services you selected, and to get them you have to click these emails. You are not going to earn. This is not actually service sites. It has collected a list of some service sites. It is the site what is called a survey aggregator, and select survey panels and then sign up, and then they have your contact information, send you a link. You don't get very big lists necessarily promote the sites that they can pay, of course, and they paid to promote these service sites. They send you more offers when you signed up for Survey. You will not earn on Survey itself. In their defense, you don't get any in-depth information about the survey. I want to say that all the survey sites they are promoting alleged survey sites. Again, you don't get any in-depth information about the survey, so that's a positive. You just get a short list with superficial information. You don't get any advice about finding the right size for you, and you don't get any further than here. There is no members area. You can just wait to receive offers and promotional emails from them. And you know my issue with this, I think they make it look like that on the front page. It says it looks like that on the front page. It says that if you look carefully, start earning on the side. When we come here, most of us, and you say like join teach survey page, that's what you can do here. That's what you say and say, but you actually can't. It is just a way to get your information. Really, you actually can't. That's all you get here. So they can send you promotional offers. This is just what you get. These are the steps that you go through, and that's for all the countries Survey isn't available. Most of all, I'm not very excited about Survey. It gives the impression that you can actually earn on the side, and be aware that how it works, and you have to be aware of this before joining. I'm not saying it can't be worth it. You just need to be aware what you are actually getting before joining. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.